In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password on Lovable. If you've been locked out of your account or you simply can't remember your password, don't worry. The reset process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and click on the official Lovable result. This will take you to the Lovable website. Make sure you're selecting the correct official site before continuing, since password-related steps should always be done on the legitimate platform. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, look for the login button and click it. This will open the sign-in page where you can start the password recovery process. On the login screen, enter your email address in the email field. Be sure to type the same email address connected to your Lovable account. If you have more than one email address, double check that you're using the correct one, because the password reset link will be sent there. After entering your email, click Continue. This moves you to the next part of the login flow and brings up the options related to signing in. Now look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This is the option you'll use when you no longer remember your current password and need Lovable to send you a reset link. After that, click the button to send the reset link, then follow the on-screen prompts. Lovable should send a password reset email to the address you entered. Open your inbox and look for the message. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well. Since automated emails sometimes end up there, when the reset email arrives, open it and use the link provided to create a new password. As you set your new password, choose something strong and memorable. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Try to avoid reusing old passwords or using anything too simple. Once your new password has been saved, return to the Lovable login page and sign in with your updated credentials. If the reset link doesn't work, it may have expired, so you can repeat the same process and request a fresh one. And that's how to reset your password on Lovable. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be back in your account in just a few minutes.